Going out for a morning walk, my mind is different today. Suddenly, I saw two boys were casting a rod on the pond. The older one's rod moved. Pull it! A shiny fish emerged from the water. The boy saved the fish with a smile and turned around. A little ahead, a professional fisherman was sitting on a raft in the foreground, silently casting a rod. His patience, his attention, it felt like he was having a conversation with nature. Just then, a goat slowly came and crossed the light-lit morning path, the sedge flowers beside it, like a white carpet spread on the ground. Suddenly the cuckoo's call, the coming melody of autumn. I wondered, has autumn arrived? The scent of the flowers made the moment magical. It was as if nature said, "Don't rush, stop for a moment. Life is actually full of such small miracles. This morning is worth remembering."